Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Today is an extremely special episode for us. Believe it or not, it's our first anniversary. And it's gone by amazingly fast. We've made over 50 different cocktails between stuff we posted on YouTube, stuff we posted on TikTok, and stuff that we placed on Instagram. Today, we're going to do a repeat of one of the first cocktails that we did. And it's got to be my most favorite cocktail of all time. It is a great after dive drink. It's a great boat drink. It's a great drink all around. So if you like what you see and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and join us every time we make a cocktail. So with that, let's get started. We are going to start making today's drink called the Painkiller. First off, you're going to put pineapple juice, 4 ounces, and that's going to go in your mixing glass. Next, you are going to use Crème de Coconut. Now, I want you to use the Crème de Coconut, not coconut milk. It's nice, it's thick, it's creamy, it's sweet, it's delicious, and that's going to use 1. So as I said, formula 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of Crème de Coconut, and if you decide you like it, you can play a little bit. You can add 1.5 ounces if you want a little bit creamier or a little bit sweeter, but it's pretty sweet on its own. The third one in there is orange juice. We've got freshly squeezed orange juice. We're throwing 1 ounce in there, and that goes in there. Now, with the Painkiller, you have to make a decision. How much pain do you want to kill? Just like a hurricane, there's several categories. Category 1, you're going to use 1 ounce of rum. We are using Pusser's Old Navy rum. It is the Navy rum that the British issued to their sailors for hundreds of years. They finally got rid of it in the 70s because it's hard to be a drunken sailor. Category 1, 1 ounce. You can have a category 2, which takes away a little bit more pain, and that's actually 2 ounces. If you want to feel comfortably numb, you make a category 3, and that's 3 ounces. But my favorite, believe it or not, is a category 4. Category 4 storm, one of the worst, most severe storms you are. If you're in need of anesthesia, I highly recommend a category 4, and that once again is 4 ounces of Pusser's Admiralty rum. Got a pretty full glass going on in there. Next, what we're going to need to do is put in some crushed ice. We're going to pop a top on that, and we're going to give this a really good shake. And now, that gets poured into there. Look at that. Nice, thick, creamy. What we're going to do next, take fresh ice, put that in a new glass. And we're going to strain. Into that cocktail glass. Right to the top. That looks good. It smells good, but we're going to make it smell a little bit better. So what we're going to do, and I know a lot of people take shortcuts. They use the ground nutmeg. You get a kernel of nutmeg, a little hand grinder, and you fresh grind that, and you can smell that. Oh, and that is my most favorite cocktail in the world, the Pusser's Painkiller. And speaking of favorite in the world, my favorite. Honey, happy anniversary.
Thank you. You too. The smell adds to the experience. That's very good. Thank you.
That's for good.
It's good.
Thank you. Cheers, everyone.